It's a whole new world since I did my videos last. Things are different now. People don't film me. I film myself. Also, this park didn't exist. Pretty chill.
Put this one in your video, Mr. Director.
This episode is brought to you by Pirelli. If you're not first, you're last, loser.
No!
Dude, pardon me. Did I fuck you up?
No. It was like pulled out like 2 Does that count?
Yep.
Oh yeah, we're taking out ribs and we're sucking our own dicks tonight, baby.
You asshole, Dean. I was trying to get a fucking line in there. I'm just kidding. Bonus. Oh, that's my fault, dude.
No, you're good. You're good.
This episode is brought to you by Dial Tone Wheels hat. They're not actually paying me. They didn't send me this hat, but it keeps the hair out of my face. Dial Tone Wheels hat. Keeping the hair out of your face. Ever do anything stupid like try the same thing hundreds of times to the point of exhaustion? You think, I might just pass away and die. Not for, putting a few calories in there. Neither.
Okay, yep.
Oh yeah.
Give me some. Yep.
Ooh.
Don't stop. Don't stop. Oh.
This little dude won't get to tell his story because of the fucking gale force winds we were dealing with. Basically, he was vibing, having a good time while his friend was having heat stroke. But he walks and stays in shape, so he's chilling. Boom. This is just me talking about sandwiches. Basically, I think that if you have a sandwich shop, it should be illegal for you to not have French fries as an option to go with your sandwich. Why the fuck would I want chips? Is he?
Are you gonna have any weed tonight?
No! sometimes at the end of the session. I don't want to do anything. I just want to sit in my chair with one of my cats. And that's it. Good day off.